Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, YT Abdul Aleem.
Hello friends. I hope you are all doing well. In this video, I'll explain what a counter is and the different types of counters. So let's get started. Digital counters. Types of counters. Up counter. Down counter. Up-down counter. Reset counters. What is a counter? A counter is a sequential circuit that counts the number of occurrences of a particular event or process. Counters are essential in various applications such as frequency division, event counting, and sequencing. In this picture you can see counter. Up counter. Definition: an up counter increments its count by 1 for each clock pulse, starting from 0 and counting upwards. Function: used to count events in increasing order. Example: counting the number of items passing a checkpoint on a conveyor belt. Down counter. Definition: a down counter decrements its count by 1 for each clock pulse, starting from a preset value and counting downwards to 0. Function: used to count events in decreasing order. Example: countdown timer in a digital clock. In this picture you can see down counter logic. Up-down counter. Definition: an up/down counter can count in both directions, up or down, based on a control input. Function: provides flexibility to count events in either direction. Example: adjusting the volume level on a digital audio system. In this picture you can see up-down counter logic. Reset counter. Definition: a reset counter is a counter that can be manually or automatically reset to a predefined value, typically 0. Function: used to initialize or restart the counting process. Example: resetting a counter after completing a task cycle in a manufacturing process. In this picture you can see reset counter logic. Applications of counters. Up counter, used in applications requiring event counting, such as traffic monitoring systems. Down counter, employed in countdown timers, like those in digital clocks or microwave ovens. Up/down counter, utilized in systems requiring bidirectional counting, such as digital volume controls and position encoders. Reset counter, applied in scenarios where counting needs to be restarted, like in batch processing systems.
Thanks for watching.